Hi everybody, this is an announcement about this week's work. So we're going to go over prenatal development and birth, and those materials are available on Blackboard already. And I wanted to highlight that we are going to have an annotated bibliography due Sunday, February 20th, and this will be our next step for the community research proposal. So the first step was the study review paper to get you going in the literature, and the bibliography is meant to get you deeper into the literature related to your topic. And so let's just look at Blackboard and we can see what's there. If you go to weekly modules, week number 4, there's the video lecture for prenatal and birth, prenatal development and birth, as well as the PowerPoint for that lecture. And then if you go to weekly modules, you'll see that I put a folder for the annotated bibliography. And so if you click on that, there is video instructions for that assignment. What I'll say is that video was made in a previous semester, so if there's any reference to due dates and things like that, follow the due date on Blackboard, not what is announced in the video. So the instructions for the bibliography are there in the video. You can also see the instructions here. In general, the video gives you more details, so please watch the video. But you need to read 5 articles that are relevant to your topic. So along with your study review paper, you will have at least 6 articles already that will help you start thinking in more depth about your topic. So each of your reference should be in APA style. And so there's a link that will guide you on that. And then there was some previous help about this, I believe, with the study review paper as well as in the video instructions above there in Blackboard. And so what you should do is that you should have the reference in APA style, and then the annotation should be indented both left and right. And then your annotation, you're going to basically summarize the article in your own words. And then after the summary, you want to state in a sentence or two how the article will help you write your paper, your larger community research proposal. So again, it's a summary of the article in your own words. And at the end of the summary, in a sentence or two, say how the article is going to help you write your paper. So for this assignment, I still want you to kind of stick with peer review articles, but you can look at things that are other things besides empirical research. So you might have empirical research still. That's a research study that's being reported in the article. But you can also read theoretical papers, or you can do what would be basically called like a narrative review, which is what they do is they look at a bunch of research on the topic and they give the impression that they have of the research in the article. Or you could actually find a meta-analysis where they actually get the study's data for different studies on the topic and then do an overall statistical analysis of those studies to see what's going on. So these other formats are also available for this assignment, for the bibliography. And so that's the gist of it. And then you can see here the breakdown for the assignment. By the way, it's 20 points. Those 20 points come out of the signature assignment points that are assigned on the syllabus. So, you're not really doing this for the points. You're doing this to get going on the signature assignment. So, it is some points, but it's more meant to get you moving on your signature assignment and helping you out there so you're not doing it all at the last minute. So giving you things that you can do along the way that will make your paper easier. And so 50% of the grade is the correctness of APA style. So following APA style will be important. And I'll say that probably 90% of the points lost on this assignment are APA style mistakes. And I probably mentioned this in other videos, excuse me, but beware of cutting and pasting the citation or the reference. So some people cut and paste it from simply the search that you did. Some people think they can use certain websites to give them APA style, including Google Scholar and other websites. What I'll say is that there are frequently mistakes in those types of websites. So there's no substitution for you to double check the style of your reference. So if you cut and paste to try to save yourself some time, double check the APA style of the references, because those sources are often wrong, because simply it's a computer doing it and computers make mistakes. So 25% of the points will be for the completeness of your summary. So it has to be in your own words. So don't, sort of cut and paste sentences from the article. Put it in your own words. And then 25% of the grade will be making a link to your own paper, your own project for the signature assignment. So that's it. So this is not due for a couple weeks, but I wanted to put it up there so you can work on it over the next 2 weeks. So this is due on February 20th. And so it's, again, 5 articles, and this will get you going, starting to think about your signature assignment. And if you take good notes in your bibliography, you're already kind of start forming your logic for the paper. So if you do that, if you take those notes well, you'll be well on your way to working on the start of your signature assignment. So that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great week and take care.